everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 20th to the 24th of June 2022 on Monday. Nomafu reveals her plans for Lindiwe, while Zweli is surprised to learn the story from the other party. Paulina gives Copra an ultimatum on Tuesday. A not so cold war breaks out in the Mokwena home, and Nomafu is determined to shake things up on Wednesday. Copra struggled to keep the peace, while Nomafu set out to prove she's more than just a pretty face on Thursday. Paulina fights back, while Nomafu gets away ahead of herself on Friday. Angelina and Paulina's fight comes to a shocking end, and Zolani's skeleton tumbles out of the closet. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.